How to sign up to a Scene Card account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Scene Card. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. In order to begin, open a web browser and go to www.sceneplus.ca in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then click on the register link at the top right corner of the screen just beside the sign in option. And as soon as you click on it, a login portal will appear, from where you need to first enter the correct form of your email address in the first field, followed by the password in the second field. Also type in the same password to confirm it, and agree to the terms and conditions. Check this box over here. And if you have a physical card, select yes to register it, otherwise choose no. After filling in all the details, click on the next button highlighted in purple color. Complete the verification process to finish signing up, and now you can earn coins using your Scene Card by purchases at Cineplex theaters. So this was all about it. This is how you can sign up for a Scene Card account. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.